In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a newsletter in Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a finished newsletter that's ready to send or publish. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to sign up or log in. It's a good idea to be logged in before you start so you don't lose any work. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see options to create new content. Next, look for the button or link that says Create. This is usually at the top of the page or in a sidebar, and it's your starting point for any new piece of content in Substack. Go ahead and click Create. Substack may give you a few choices, like different post types. From those options, click on Article. This is the standard format for a newsletter issue. Choosing Article opens up the editor where you'll write and format your content. You should now see a blank editor with fields for your title and your main body text. Before you start writing the full content, add a subtitle if it makes sense for your newsletter. The subtitle appears just under the main title and helps readers understand what this particular issue is about. It can be a short phrase or one or two sentences that highlight the main theme or takeaway. Try to keep it clear and specific so people know why they should keep reading. Now you're ready to start writing. Click into the main body area and begin drafting your newsletter. You can introduce your topic, share updates, tell a story, or provide tips and resources. Take your time here. Substack's editor lets you format text with headings, bold, italics, and links. So use those tools to break up long sections and make your content easier to scan. If you have a longer newsletter, consider using short paragraphs and clear section breaks so it's comfortable to read on both desktop and mobile. Once you're done writing and have given everything a quick proofread, click Continue. This button usually takes you from the writing screen to the settings for your post, where you can control how your newsletter will be delivered and who can interact with it. On the next screen, look for the audience or community settings, specifically the option that says Allow comments from. Here, you can choose who's allowed to comment on your post. Depending on your preferences, you might open comments to everyone, limit them to subscribers, or turn them off entirely. Think about how much interaction you want and what will feel manageable for you. You'll also see an area where you can add tags. Tags help categorize your newsletter issues by topic, making it easier for readers to find related content later. Add a few relevant tags that clearly describe what this issue is about, but avoid overloading it with too many. Next, you can enable delivery and scheduling options. If you want the newsletter to go out right away, you can set it to send immediately. If you prefer to plan ahead, choose a specific date and time. Scheduling can be helpful if you want your newsletter to arrive at a consistent time each week. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send or Publish. Send will email the newsletter to your subscribers, while Publish will make it live on your Substack site. Once you've done that, your newsletter is officially created and shared with your audience.